Hello friends, here's another craft video and this is how we are making a nice green pattern out here, and we are taking a pattern paper so that we can make nice vase from it. And this is how using pista shell we can make a nice colorful flower pot out here. And this too of different pattern, like it's different, no? Next in the sequence we are taking red color paper, and this is how we are trying to fold and cut it out so that it gives a nice flowery look upon further foldings. This is how it will look after you'll have several flowers. You can paste on top of one another. It gives a nice 3D effect of this red color flower. This is how you can make a yellow color on middle of this, and this is how we can give vase. Next in the sequence we are trying to make a trim lower portion, and this is how we are making pinkish color ka cutout, and we are trying to open it out so that it makes a nice colorful pink color flower over here. This is how we can make several, and we can put it on top so that it makes a nice pink tree out here. Next in the sequence we are taking several colorful earbuds. This is how we are trying to paste it out on top of one another so that it makes a nice colorful flower, pinkish and bluish color. And this is how we are trying to cut a yellow portion. We are trying to paste it in middle so that it looks more attractive and beautiful. And next you are taking a purple color paper and we are trying to make this. Next in the sequence yellow color paper, we are trying to fold it out in such a way that after pasting it we'll get a nice flower pattern out here, and this is how we can make a nice summer flower. Next we are taking this sheet, and this is how we are trying to fold it out so that after folding all these strips will get a nice thing out here. This is how we can paste it out, and this pattern paper we are trying to put in a vase so that it looks more beautiful and more attractive. This is how it looks. Next in the sequence we are trying to cut out this finger pattern, and this is how after cutting it out we are trying to make a flower so that it looks like a person is holding those flowers in such a way that it makes it more nice. Next in the sequence we are trying to make lower part of a tree, cut it out and paste so that after pasting the shells in a flowery way we'll get it more attractive, more beautiful, and after coloring it out you will get nice thing. Next in the sequence we are taking the screen sheet, we are trying to cut it out. We are trying to draw something and cut it out so that it makes a nice greeny flower as well as leaves here. This is how you can make nice flower out of pink paper so that after coloring it out you will get a nice beautiful effect flower over here, and this is how you can make fishes. Next in the sequence you are having this yellow color paper. We are trying to fold it in such a way that after folding and making it looks like a nice flower out here. Different colors you can try, and this is how you can make lower part of this flowers, and it will look more attractive and beautiful. After further colorings, this is how it will have a nice flower. Next in the sequence it's another paper, and this is how we are trying to fold it out and cut it further so that after cutting it out we'll get nice strip pattern out here, and this is how we can paste so that it makes a nice flower, and we can make this greenish strips, and this is how after making lower part it looks. Next in the sequence we are taking green sheet, and after that we are trying to make flowers, that too colorful flowers, so that after giving it leaf thing this is how it will look.